Hey there, my name is Eric Turnus and I'm the founder of MemberMouse, and I'm so excited to have you here. And in this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps that you need to take in order to get MemberMouse up and running.
The first thing you want to do is register your site URL with MemberMouse, which you can do by clicking this link here. Once you're on the My Account page, you're going to change your authorized URL by clicking this button. Now, the URL you're going to enter here is the WordPress URL that you'll get from your WordPress install. To get this, you just go to Settings, General, and then you copy the WordPress address URL, come back here, paste it in, and click Save. Now the MemberMouse plugin is authorized to be installed on that domain. So now what we'll do is go back to our dashboard, select this link, and then we'll download the MemberMouse plugin by clicking here. And now we'll go back over to our WordPress site, go to the plugins page, click Add New, upload plugin, and then we'll browse to the location where we just downloaded the file and click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Now MemberMouse is installed and you're ready to get started. So just go to the MemberMouse dashboard, and you'll notice on the MemberMouse dashboard that there's a number of training videos. In these training videos, I walk you through the basics of MemberMouse step by step and show you what you need to know in order to get your membership site up and running as quickly as possible. So go ahead and install the MemberMouse plugin, and then I'll see you on the inside in the other training videos.